Hey everyone, welcome to Tarot Destination. Once again, we will continue our Pentacles journey. So today we will discuss on 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles and 6 of Pentacles. Here 4 of Pentacles, when you'll see it is number 4 card. Number 4, we know it's a Uranus, the Rahu. First thing, so the rigid quality you will see this 4 number people. So this card says people whoever they belongs to this character, they will be quite rigid kind of personality, rigid kind of attitude. They may not be docile at all. So this is the one quality. 4 of Pentacles, as we know, it's a Capricorn energy. So Capricorn, again, it is a Saturn. It's a hard energy, hard earthy quality, I would say, in fact. And when this Saturn and Rahu will be together, so a lot of materialistic show off as well as slowness you will see in the life. So let's discuss the meaning. What is this 4 of Pentacles? Here, just look at the picture. The person is holding this 4 pentacles as if someone will take. So everything, it is attached or very near to this body only. And he is just away from this crowd, this buildings and all. Can you see it's looking like small? And he is displaying as if he is quite rich. So it is a kind of, he is quite possessive also. He is not leaving anything at home. He is carrying everything with him. So he is quite possessive, or I would say insecure also. You will ask this 4 of Pentacles. You can just call this card. Also this 4 of Pentacles, it is talking about as if you are self-sufficient. You are having sufficient things which you can use for yourself, and you can show also to others. You can display your stuff. So this is the card. Basically, to me, what I understood, it is a kind of the card of stability. The 4 number, it talks about the stability also, because all are the earthy qualities. So they have the solid foundation also. They need for the solid foundation, in fact. So whenever this 4 of Pentacles comes, there is possibility people may think of making property or something, and they will make out also, because they are having the money. One point of this card is the person could be very much stingy. The person is not willing to spend even a single penny. Everything that person wants to hold with him, he or she doesn't want to spend. So another meaning you will get from this card, the person could be quite showing off kind of person. He likes to show off lot of things, but actually that's not the fact. In relationship card, if this thing comes, so this 4 of Pentacles, it talks about a stable, quite materialistic kind of relationship, rather emotional, because there is no emotional elements are there. It is a earthy energy. Rahu is not having emotions at all, and Saturn is not having emotions at all. So all are quite practical. The money oriented kind of personality, or the family, it could be. Also the family could be rich also, self-sufficient, but yes, freedom will not be there, because as I already said, these are emotions are not there. So the people are quite materialistic, quite practical. Freedom they will not give, because they are quite possessive. Here you can see the person is very much insecure. So this is the meaning we will get from the 4 of Pentacles. I hope the meaning will be clear. Let's move to the 5 of Pentacles. Here the person was holding everything within. Here 5 of Pentacles, we know 5 is the number of change. Some changes need to be done in order to come out from this such rigid attitude. So what you have to do, you have to leave everything and you have to move out with lot of pain, because when this much money you will leave, definitely it will be very painful. Your situation will be very painful. Here in the picture, you'll see in the snow, these two people are going out. Though here the money is there, some richness is there, but blackness is also there with that. So what I feel, these people might have left in this hard time. They have decided to leave, or they are forced to leave in this hard situation. Their condition doesn't look like good. And here whatever the help is there, they are not asking for the help also. So it is possibility help is even not extended by the other people, or they did not ask. So two possibilities could be, but this is the card of the change. This is the card of the I would say this lack of money kind of feeling will come. You are not having money, your bad time. So this is the Five of Pentacles. You are leaving the people, you are leaving the materialistic stuff of your life, like the relationship. It could be the relationship, the such relationship where no emotions are there. Such relationship you are leaving and going, and the situation is very hard. The person is this person looks like he's hurt also, he's not able to walk properly. This card shows the health issues also, because money is there and the condition is not well. So for the treatment you need money, you have to borrow the money. So this is the card of the borrowing also. You need to borrow the money in order to improve your situation. So either interest free, this card shows the loan also. Could be you have applied for the loan and you are rejected and now you are feeling very much helpless, or you have to pay more interest, then only this thing will work out. So some good dealing, good approach is required. So this is Five of Pentacles. Let's move to the Six of Pentacles. Here can you see the progression? Here the person was alone, he was stuck with the money. Finally he decided to leave for any reason, and when he is leaving this much attachment, the materialistic attachment, what is happening, their condition is like that. It's a very painful, health issues is coming, a lot of problems are coming at a time. And when we will come to the Six of Pentacles, here could be these two people, could be they are dependent on other thing, as if this person is doing the charity to these two people based on their work, or could be some work you had done for this person and he is giving the money. But here we will see he is giving the money as if he is balancing how much you had done, accordingly you will be paid, and this person is still asking but he is not getting. So it is a kind of, they are begging and this person is giving. So this Six of Pentacles, it is talks about that also, kind of begging kind of situation. So this Six of Pentacles also, it talks about kind of loan you had applied, might be you are planning to borrow some money, but based on your financial ability only the loan will be given to you. So this is the assessment card, this is the balance card. So when this card comes in a reading, it talks about something you have, if you are having extra, please try to give up that, try to share with others, and you have to add the qualities of other people whom you are lacking in order to attract that energy. So if you are looking to attract something, if you wanted to attract money, you have to add within you the money quality, rather the other quality, like earlier you might be hating or you might be misusing the money. Now you should understand how to spend money wisely. So this card shows about the balance and wise expenditure. So this is the Six of Pentacles. Another part of Six of Pentacles is even both Five and Six of Pentacles, these two are having the Taurus energy, and Taurus, we know it is ruled by the Venus. So when Venus is excess with you, your condition will be like that. If Venus is balanced with you, you will be in this position so that you are having little extra also, so you can do the charity also. So the Six of Pentacles, it talks about the charity also. Charity of what? Venus thing, either this yellow color thing you can donate, anything related to yellow. So these two cards, these are Taurus, quite earthy energy, solid energy, but Venus, we know that the balanced Venus, it is necessary. Here also the Four of Pentacles, the energy was not that much balanced. Here quite arrogance was there, little ego was there. When everything will be excess, what will happen? This kind of situation will become. And once you will understand this situation, you will understand what was the reason, you will be smart enough to assess the expenses or the situation, anything. So you will understand how to deal with the other people, or you will be sitting like this and you will beg. So the balance is very, very necessary. So this is the Six of Pentacles. I hope the meaning will be clear. What extra you want, do let me know. Like and subscribe my channel so that I can just bring up more tutorials for you people. Thank you so much for joining.